Since about the last ice age, the word that describes the automatic shift quadrant is PRINDLE. Now that's an acronym standing for park, reverse, neutral, drive, and low. Now it doesn't matter whether the transmission is a column shift, a console shift, push buttons on the dashboard, or even the rotary knob that some Jaguars and Fords are using, the sequence is always the same: park, reverse, neutral, drive, low. Now sometimes the L is going to be M for manual or S for sport. It's the outlier from drive. The point is, park is always at the far end of that sequence. Now a lot of car makers are going to electronic shifters now. They're not really levers, they're just toggle switches. Fair enough. But some of them are also now replacing the park position in the shift lever with a push button. This is just stupid. Every car built in the last 50 years with an automatic transmission, you shove the lever to the front, click, you're in park. You know you're in park. It's not a problem. Why are they changing this? Worse still, these push buttons have zero travel. They're electronic, just a little 1 millimeter push. In the Genesis G90 I drove recently, the only difference between park being engaged and not engaged was that the extremely dim blue letter P on this button became slightly less dim. I'm sorry, it's not good enough. Now, at least in the Genesis, this push button is at the far end of the shift lever travel, which is where it should be. In the Mercedes-Benz, it's at the back of the shift quadrant. This is just stupid. It makes as much sense as putting the gas pedal on the left side of the brake. It's just wrong, and it's unsafe. Now that Mercedes owner, probably it's not his only car. Maybe he's got 3 or 4 other cars. They all get into park by shoving the lever forward. Does he have to think every time he gets out of his car, how do I do this? It's wrong. Everybody knows where park is. Make it the way it is. Engineers around the world, remember, progress means making things better, not just making them different. If it ain't broke, I'm Jim Kenzie.
So here's the question. Where were you 32 years ago? I know some of you weren't even a glint in your father's eye. As for me, well, I was in diapers, but found time to get Motoring TV off the ground. And today I like to think we've got one of the best automotive video libraries in the world. If you agree, please give us the thumbs up and also subscribe. We really appreciate it.